Hello everybody, Sorbitne here and welcome back to another video. In this video, we will be constructing a 45-degree angle. So let's not waste any more time, let's head straight into the construction of this angle. So the first thing you want to do when you're constructing any angle, you want to draw the baseline. So I will use my ruler and I will draw a baseline. And this is basically tell me where I will draw my angle from. Where will the 0 degrees be? So I'll draw from 0 and I go all the way around. So I draw my baseline, a straight line straight through here. But remember, I want this thing to be as accurate as possible because we're constructing. So what I will do, I will take my compass and I will open it from this end. Let's say I wanted it to be, I'd say 9 cm. I will take my compass, I will put it here. And I will open it from here all the way to 9. So I want this to be as accurate as possible. And I lock my compass to make sure that it doesn't shift. And then I will put my point on the line and I will scribe an arc right here. And I will put my compass at this end of the circle. Then I will put my point. Then I will put my compass at this end of the line and I will scribe another arc right here. And I want now to construct 45 degrees. I'll construct the 45 degrees from this point. So now I can close my compass. And of course, just like with the other examples, I will draw a semicircle. So I'll draw a semicircle all the way around here. And now I want to draw the 45 degrees. So here I'll make sure the compass doesn't change. I make sure it doesn't open or close by even an inch. And now I will scribe an arc right at the top here. And this arc that I scribe, I know that will give me 60 degrees. Then I go from that point and I will scribe another arc. I will scribe another arc right down here. I know this arc that I just scribed, that would give me 120 degrees. So I know between 120 and 60, if I bisect that, I will get 90 degrees. And that will help me to find the 45. So I'll bisect the 60 and the 120. So I scribe an arc at the top here. And I put a point here and I will scribe an arc there at the intersection. And then I will draw a line straight up from this point all the way here. And they say that I now have is 90 degrees. But remember, I'm not really interested in 90 degrees. I want 45. So what I will do to get 45, I will bisect. I know if I bisect 0 degrees and 90, that would give me half of 90, which is 45 degrees. So I will put my compass here, and now I can adjust. I can open the compass a bit. I open it a little more than half, and I make sure I don't change the length, the size of it now. And I will scribe an arc right at the top here. So I will scribe this arc here, and then I will put my compass now. I'll put a point right at the top tip here, which will draw in which the 90 degrees line pass through. I put my compass right there. And I will now scribe an arc here. And this arc that I just scribed, it will intersect with the other arc, and that will give me the 45 degrees. So I can now draw a line straight through here to get the 45 degrees. So I'll take my protractor to make sure that this is accurate. So I'll take my protractor and I'll measure it there and I'll make sure it starts from 0 degrees. And as you can see, it passes through the 45 degree, which is right in between 50 and 40. And that is how I accurately construct a 45 degree angle. So with that, this has brought me to the end of this video. And I trust that you now have a good understanding of how to construct a 45 degree angle. We must first construct the 90 and then we bisect the 90 and the 0 degrees, and that would give me the 45. So with that, I'll see you in the next video in which I'll be constructing some more angles and some more shapes. So I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep constructing.